Protecting and enhancing your investment matters. That is why Azpects have developed our EASYSeal range of sealers and enhancers. Designed to be easy and safe to use, our technically advanced sealers are manufactured using eco-friendly materials containing no toxic substances. Picking a suitable sealer is easy using our comparison tool, available at azpects.co.uk. This video demonstrates how to use Azpects Back to Black for limestone. Back to Black for limestone is a penetrating resin-based sealer that transforms and exaggerates the look of black limestone while providing a stain and water-resistant surface. This product packs a big punch, and a little goes a long way. Subject to the porosity of the stone, natural stone can vary even within the same paver. A 1 litre bottle covers up to 40 square metres based on one coat with very porous stone. You may find that the coverage exceeds the stated amount. Before starting, you must wear appropriate PPE and clean footwear. In addition, the paving should be cool to the touch, clean and dry throughout. The ideal operating temperature is between 10 and 20 degrees Celsius. Do not apply when raining or when rain is expected within 48 hours of application. Before committing to the entire paving area, you must test the product first in an inconspicuous area. You want to ensure that the finish is acceptable and that the conditions are good to continue. This is because the stone needs to absorb the new product, and any previous treatments may hinder this. Particular caution is advised when applying the product to honed or polished stone. These treatments can dramatically affect the porosity of the surface of the stone. To get started, shake the product well for 30 seconds and use neat as supplied. Apply a thin, even coat with a paint pad to one paver at a time, finishing the application at the joint. Now, Back to Black is a clear liquid and not a black dye, therefore it will not stain the joint. However, we recommend finishing at the joint as the sealer may enhance the joint also. Refrain from pouring the product directly onto the stone surface, which will cause an over-enhancement in a localised area. Uneven application can result in a patchy finish, so dry any excess from the surface using a lint-free cloth. Buff the treated area to remove all shine. The finish should be matte to satin, depending on how much excess product is removed. Failure to do so will result in a much longer curing time and a slippery surface when wet. Once completed, allow the treated area to dry thoroughly before use. Extra time should be allowed for when it's colder. It's also essential to keep children and pets away during this period. Foot traffic is acceptable after 24 hours, but do not allow the site to get wet within the first 48 hours. This may cause the treatment to weaken or wash away. Do not attempt to remove the sealer with harsh acid-based cleaners, as this could cause irreparable damage. To find your local stockist and explore the extended Azpects range, visit azpects.co.uk.